All of those tips are so much easier said than done. Let's take a look at this week's headlines. We do have kind of an unsettled pattern setting up for us for really much of the work week. Early though in the week, we do see those shower chances mainly in the PM. So we're talking the afternoon and the evening hours. Now, as we get into Thursday and Friday even, we do see the chance for some showers and thunderstorms late in the week. And could we be tracking some severe weather? I think it's absolutely possible. You know, we do have a kind of secondary peak during the fall season for severe potential, although right now the severe chances look to be pretty low. So that's some good news, but of course we'll continue keeping a very close eye on that. A very brief warm up, highs by Thursday close to, if not into, the lower 70s. So if you're not a fan of the cool weather, just hold tight for just a little while longer. If you're heading out the door this morning, though, we do have, or did have, I should say, some rain chances and even some snow possible late last night, early this morning. If you were up before, say, 3 o'clock, you might have seen the last few flakes as they kind of skirted off towards the east. In the meantime, though, we are starting the morning with dry conditions, as you can see here at the most recent kind of frame here. Satellite radar looking fairly quiet locally as that precipitation continues to slide towards the east. We're tracking the next kind of rainmaker for us, and it is going to be an all rain event for the most of us here as we get into the afternoon. Notice the kind of heavier snow developing over parts of central and northern portions of Nebraska. I was just checking surface observations. No precipitation being reported just yet. There's still quite a bit of dry air that this system's having to work through, but it will pick up some steam and head towards the east as we get into the afternoon, bringing with it the chance for at least some light rain shower activity. Let's show you that here using Future Track. Between now and 12, I think most of us do remain dry. However, as we get into the early part of the afternoon, notice here we are at 3 o'clock, some of that precipitation falling possibly in the form of a few wet snowflakes. I think it's going to be very similar to yesterday morning's setup, where those of you that live outside of Rockford, places like Freeport, places like Galena, you see the chance for some snow shower activity. Again, nothing sticking to the ground, for the most part, just wet roads here. As we get into the evening hours, those rain chances do begin to diminish, especially as we get beyond midnight or so. And we'll start Tuesday dry with the chance for rain returning to the forecast as we get into the afternoon and late into the evening hours before drying out yet again for Wednesday morning. Now for today, 43 for that afternoon high. Again, a few flurries possible early. I think most of us, though, are going to see dry conditions. In fact, clearing out already in Freeport, sitting at 31 degrees as we slide out towards the east, sitting at 36 in Rockford, 36 as well in Rochelle. Good morning to you all in the Hub City. As we take a look at that 7-day forecast, we do keep the unsettled weather going here Wednesday, Thursday into Friday. We do see those temperatures rise and then fall back into the weekend. Let's take a look at that most accurate 10-day forecast. See if the cool weather sticks around, and it does look like it will here as we get into next week, staying generally below average.